What's up, everybody? Today is August 18th, 2021, 8:07 a.m. Gonna give a quick analysis of what I think the price of gold is likely to do. Today is also FOMC, also going to be a lot of heavy news coming out. So the markets might be a little bit choppy today. As you can see here, if my computer would not lag. 1 second here. Okay, so as you see, today at 2 p.m. we have FOMC meeting minutes, so that's usually has a severe impact on market movement. So markets might be a little bit choppy up to that point, but just doing a quick analysis here on actual structure, seeing what price is looking like it might do based on structure. So from what I'm seeing here, we're on the daily now. Price, has still been in a downtrend. I mean, this push up in the last week has been just a counter trend, in my opinion. Still definitely, a bearish market until it pushes up above this level, about the 1813, at the very least, about the 1795 level, more like really the 1813 to the 1830 level. It's still a bearish market, in my opinion. Now, dropping down to the H4, we see I have some counter trend lines here that I've drawn, which price is starting to break through. Price was breaking these previous levels of resistance, making higher highs and higher lows, but it got up to this level of about 1793 and it failed to break it. Now it's basically, hovering in this area, consolidating in this area, as you can see here. Dropping down onto the H1, you see the same in more detail, obviously, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, but then now breaking the structure, looking almost as if it's forming somewhat of a head and shoulders pattern, kind of a sloppy head and shoulders pattern, but looks like it could be a little bit. Now, what do I think price is going to do specifically? So I think one of two things will either happen. I think price will come up to this level here, roughly. This is a daily support and resistance level, 1789. I think price will probably push up to this level, or obviously you got a little bit, you got a minor area of support and resistance right here on this line I had previously drawn, right at the 1788 level. So I think price may come up to about this level here, if not here, and either reject it and get pushed back down to retest this low here at the 1783, or if price breaks above this level of the 1788 and definitely 1789, I think it'll keep going on up to retest the 1793 to 1795 level. So that's what I'm looking for at this point, keeping an eye on it. To be honest, I'm more inclined to think that it's going to hit a level here. I mean, you see it's already starting to hit a little bit of exhaustion here. It looks like on the M15. Going to keep a closer eye on the higher time frame, see what it does. But ideally, I'd like to see it retrace to about this level here, in this range, and then look for, signs of a reversal, signs of, exhaustion, engulfing to the downside to continue this bearish trend to the downside. But again, if that doesn't happen and it breaks above this, we got a strong break above this, then, we'll be looking to see if it breaks above this level, and then above this level as well. And if it breaks above here, then yeah, we could expect a ride up to about the 1806 level, roughly, if we break above this level here, about 1795 or so. So we'll see that, see what happens there, and keep in mind that today we do got the FOMC, initial. That's actually tomorrow. Sorry, no, they don't have. That's funny. They don't have FOMC listed here. Do they? Huh, no, they don't even have it listed here in TradingView. That's interesting. But it is today, definitely. FOMC today, Wednesday, meeting minutes, 2 p.m. So be aware of that. I'm going to be also hesitant to get in to an actual trade, because if I see that it's still very choppy, not a lot of definitive direction, I'm going to just probably hold off until after the meeting minutes, and being that it's at 2 p.m., probably just won't trade today and just see, what's going on in London session tonight and going into tomorrow. So I hope that helped you, with planning your trading day regarding gold. If you're looking to get into some positions regarding gold, get a feel of the market direction. So definitely have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment below, and happy trading. Hope you guys make a bunch of profit and trade smart. Have a great day.